Now we are going to the process regarding how to use this ActivePresenter software. First of all, we have to open a PPT, Word or PDF file that you wish to use in recording video demonstration. Then on clicking the ActivePresenter icon, the window given below pops up. Now go to the click on the record video option. You can see the description below this link. Now step 4 is, after clicking on the record video option, a small window appears like shown below. There you need to make some changes in webcam and audio settings. One more important thing is that please don't forget to click on the full screen button on left side to make the recording area in full screen mode. You have to click and drag that icon. Now step 6 is, after making necessary changes in audio video setting, click on the record button on the right side. It will start the recording, starting the recording process. Now step 7 is, to stop the recording you need to just press the Ctrl plus End button. Step 8 is, after you are done with the recording, you need to export the video by clicking on the export button, which is given below. Then a pop-up window appears like shown below. Here you need to select the format of your video, and we are going for the MP4 video format because it is more compatible format in the video category. Then go and click the OK button, and the process is complete.